Hi, welcome to Real Talk with Hurley. I'm Lisa Marie, and tonight we're going to be talking about brain tumors. I'm so honored to be joined by Dr. Christian Bowers, neurosurgeon, part of the Hurley Neurological Clinic. Thanks for taking time to talk with us today.
It's great to be here. Thanks for having me.
If you're watching live and you have any questions, you can drop them below. We'll try to get to them. A lot of people submitted ahead of time, but we're just going to get right to it. I think when people hear the term brain tumor, automatically they think this is it, we're done, it's fatal. So let's start with explaining that not all brain tumors are the same.
Yeah, that's correct. The most common brain tumor is actually not malignant, not cancer, meningioma, and there's many people that have those that aren't even aware of it, and they're not causing problems, and don't need active treatment. So when it comes to brain cancer, glioblastoma multiforme, the most aggressive malignant brain cancer, is still a very serious diagnosis that carries low 5-year mortality, 5-year survival rates. But we have treatments that have evolved over the years. Most recent one is a special type of tumor treatment fields. The company that makes it is Optune, but you basically wear a device that on your head for 18 hours a day, and it disrupts the growth of the tumors in addition to the standard radiation for 6 weeks and upfront surgery. So we've basically made a lot of advances in clinical trials and in outcomes for that most serious type of brain cancer, but also we've learned a lot of about the genetics of brain tumors that has changed over the years, including just in 2016, 10 years ago, the entire classification system of brain tumors changed and went from what you look at under the microscope, what it had been throughout history of medicine, to the genetics or the DNA molecular profiles of the tumors. And that's given us a lot more information about what these tumors are consisted of and how to target them. So there's never been a better time. We've never been more advanced in our treatment of brain cancer, in addition to having a lot more knowledge about brain tumors in general.